So it has finally died. Lasted about 11 months, which is not bad given the price point. The only two issues I had were, I was basically using this daily, by the way. The button started collapsing a bit, and this piece here, if you don't leave that dirty, it won't stay in there, it'll just fall out, which was kind of irritating, so I usually leave it a little bit gooey, which you don't like. The battery, that had no issues, still holds a full charge. The issues with the board, I believe one of these FETs turns it off and on, another one turns the voltage off and on. Those two are good. This chip here, this is the microprocessor that turns it on and off, and there's a thermal probe in the actual heating drum that attaches to here so we can monitor the voltage or the temp. This died. It wouldn't even turn on at all, it was totally dead. So, not much you can do about it, just died out of clear blue sky. It didn't show any signs it was going to fail, it just failed. Anyway, what I found is there's really nothing special about the electronics of these devices. I was under the impression that it would step voltage up to heat up the coil. It doesn't. It's basically just a 5-volt coil. And what this does is just a regulator that's stepping. So I'd say when you click it once, that's low. That would be 2 volts. You click it twice, or you click it again, it goes up to 3 volts. And then the hottest setting would be 4 volts. And that's it. It's basic. Basically what it does. Now what I went and did, if you're hard up, like I am right now because I got to pick up another one, I can show you what I did if I can get it open. Come on. You can basically just hook it directly to the USB. I wouldn't do this with the computer though. I mean, I would use a wall wart or something. But you can connect it directly up to the coil and pack it, basically plug it into your power supply, let it sit for a minute, and then test it, see if it works. If it doesn't work, plug it and leave it in longer. And as soon as it starts to vape, then unplug it and you're good to go. It works like that. You just basically got to do what this did. And you can't burn your flower if you leave it in too long, or worse. So it's not really recommended, but it'll keep me going until I can pick up another one. Would I pick it up another one of the same brand? Likely not. I think what I'm looking for in one of these devices has changed. I would like something that you can put a battery in, and maybe some better parts that you can interchange in the top. Like this here was irritating. This always would fall out, and leaving it dirty is kind of gross. So other than that, it's pretty good. I recommend it for $50. Take it easy.